Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5-minute chart, it opened gap down, but the gap down has been recovered. There was a short covering, and as per the CPR theory, the CPR lower level, it has retraced and it has not broken the lower CPR level. So it was again traded in a very small range. It was consolidating actually because it is waiting for a big day tomorrow. That's a union budget day. So Nifty closed with 21 points negative, whereas Bank Nifty also it was slow and steady but closed slight positive by 14 points. So now let's check the open interest analysis and we'll see what we have for tomorrow. So we'll follow by FII. In future index, in long they were having 79% long yesterday, 21% short. So today they have reduced 2% long, increased 2% short. So they have 77% long, 23% short. Option index at call they were having 2.40 lakhs call buying. Now they have increased the call buying by 98,000 contracts. So they have 3.39 lakhs of call buying. At put they were having 2.84 lakhs of put buying. Today they have increased the put buying as well. So they have increased 47,000 contract. Now they have 3.32 lakhs of put buying. So they have hedge in options, call buying versus put buying. But they are super bullish in future index. In cash flow, they have purchased for 3,444 crores. Option buying versus selling. Call buying they have 56%. Call writing they have 44%. Put buying they have 57%. Put writing they have 43%. Anyhow, the view of FII is bullish only. Client are the retailers. In future index, they have 37% long by yesterday, 63% short. So today, they have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. So they have 38% long, 62% short. Option index call, they were having 1.52 lakhs of call writing contract. Today, they have unwinded 70,000 contract in profit. So they have 82,000 contract in call writing. In put they were having 7.38 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded 2.17 lakhs of put writing contract. So they have 5.20 lakhs of put writing contract. So a client is very much bullish in option index now, but they are bearish in future index. At cash flow they are negative. They have sold for 615 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 50% call buying, 50% call writing, 47% put buying, 53% put writing. Client don't have any view. Proprietor desk, in future index they have 30% long, 70% short by yesterday. So today they have reduced the long, increased the short. They have 27% long, 73% short. In option index at call they were having 89,000 contract of call writing. Today they have increased the call writing by 1.69 lakh contracts. So they have 2.59 lakhs of call writing contract. At put they were having 1 lakh of put buying contract by yesterday. They have unwinded most of the put buying contract today and made a put writing of 2.22 lakhs of put writing. So here what they did, they having a very good position, call writing versus put writing, that is equal, but they have negative position in future index and they have purchase in cash market 4,047 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 46% call buying, 54% call writing, 47% put buying, 53% put writing. So proprietor desk is also hedging the position and going only bullish is FII. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty for 25th July. This week expiry. This will be month expiry also. So what we have seen today, there is a good number of call writing addition at 24,500 and put writing unwinding we have seen at 24,700. So actually the data is somewhat negative only, but mostly many participants are not participated today. The volume is very much less in options today. So for Bank Nifty, the next expiry will be on 24th July. Here we can see a good number of call writing and put writing. Good number of call writing addition at 52,000 we have seen. Still Bank Nifty is showing sideways market to negative data only. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nasdaq is trading positive by 206 points and Dow is also trading slight positive by 25 points. whereas India VIX is volatile, it is 15.43, so good for the option buyers, but it is not that volatile, it is okay to average volatility now. So let's come to Nifty in 1 day time frame. It opened gap down, that's why we can see some doji to spinning type kind of a candle. So it is wait and watch as per the candle is stating for tomorrow. The OI analysis data was also showing the sideways only. We don't have much positive or negative in Nifty, but it is still wait and watch for tomorrow. We don't have any view as per the data nor as per the technical analysis in Nifty. So Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has took the support of 52,000. Actually it has broken the 52,000 and again it came back to its original level of 52,000. So Bank Nifty is also still wait and watch as per the technical analysis, but data was sideways to negative in Bank Nifty. It is still wait and watch for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, but I believe we can see a good upside and downside movement also. Can get a chance to buy a call and put both only for scalping purpose. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.